Hi. Are you writing a dissertation or a thesis? What are your challenges and difficulties in research? Topic selection. Time management. Or citation and documentation. Maybe setting resources is your problem. Or content management. Are you cooperating with a research team? Or you are managing research groups? Do you want to control your projects in easy? How to grow a successful research team? Do you want to order a new subject for researchers to do? Don't worry. The research system guides and accompanies you step by step to reach your desired research. So, join us and get started.